See crowd with umbrellas. Let us put some drops of color on the box board. Some more drops of colors we are going to apply. Pink color also. See, it's raining very pleasantly. Now this box board I am going to hold underneath the rainwater. Let us see what will happen. These colors are naturally dissolving in rainwater and they are spreading very nicely. Now I am going to touch them with fingers to get it mixed. Now let us catch this sheet again in rainwater. Again they are spreading nicely. Let it get dry now. Give some bright touch-ups again with same color. Let us draw many umbrellas over there. We have created many umbrellas. Now let us fill the middle gap of umbrella with black color. Let us give some strokes for raindrops with white color. See the painting of rainy season created with raindrops.